Hello everyone, I'm Salva and this is part 3 of anti-epileptic drugs. Here I'll be telling you about carbamazepine and its other two prodrugs, oxcarbazepine and eslicarbazepine. This drug is similar to phenytoin, so if you want to know more about phenytoin and other pathophysiology of seizures, you have to watch the first video, which you can click above and watch. Now we'll start. Carbamazepine belongs to the class immunostilbene. As you can see from this picture, immunostilbene consists of carbamazepine, oxcarbazepine and eslicarbazepine. Three of them belong to the same class. So this drug was initially introduced for trigeminal neuralgia and the actions are similar to that of phenytoin. Mechanism of action. It prolongs the inactivated state of sodium channels. It decreases the glutamate release. It decreases the intraneuronal sodium concentration. Now we will look at the pharmacokinetics. It has slow oral absorption and it is metabolized by the liver by two means. First, in active state, it is metabolized by oxidation, whereas in inactive state, it is metabolized by hydroxylation. Next, we have to note a very important point. It has the property of autoinduction of metabolism on being used chronically. For example, if today I administer this drug to a patient, the half-life of its metabolism will be 60 hours, whereas on taking the drug chronically, the half-life will reduce to 10 hours. So, on time being, we have to increase the dose of this drug because of autoinduction of metabolism. Next, we have to see the uses. Since it blocks the sodium channel, its uses are similar to that of phenytoin. That is, it is used for generalized tonic-clonic seizures, it is used in partial seizures, and it is also used in sleep-related hypermotor epilepsy. Previously, carbamazepine was the drug of choice for partial seizures. Other uses are bipolar disorders, and it is used as an antidiuretic in diabetes insipidus. So, this enhances the antidiuretic effect and causes dilutional hyponatremia. We'll be seeing this in ADR. Next, this is the drug of choice in trigeminal neuralgia and in Rolandic epilepsy. This is a type of seizure that occurs in children, typically after sleep or during sleep. Usually, there is unilateral facial twitching, drooling of saliva, and sometimes speech arrest also. This drug is given as treatment for 1 to 2 years. Next, we'll see about the adverse drug reaction. Here, the mnemonic HEADS is used. H for hyponatremia and hypersensitivity. In a hypersensitivity, we can have eosinophilia. A for aplastic anemia and agranulocytosis. D for dizziness and diplopia. S for Stevens-Johnson syndrome. Phenytoin and carbamazepine are the two drugs which causes Stevens-Johnson syndrome and lupus-like reaction. Now, this drug has two prodrugs, that is oxcarbazepine and eslicarbazepine. Oxcarbazepine and eslicarbazepine are prodrugs and they have less hypersensitivity reaction compared to carbamazepine, but they can cause more hypernatremia. So this drug can be preferred in adults compared to old age people. So for NEET PG, you have to remember the uses, where this is the drug of choice and the ADR. I hope you understood this topic. This is given in concise. It can be used for your university exams and also for revision for NEET PG. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Please do hit the like button, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Next we'll see about the last part, that is status epilepticus. Thank you.